afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching this video from. My name is Irene, and in case you're coming across this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing, guys, this amazing video. So today is actually another super special day. It's in the evening, and the time is 4:24, and I'm coming live and clear from the town. Hello. Don't worry, it is raining. I'm coming live and clear from town, and yes, this is what is happening. Yes, this is what is happening. The rain is raining. Yeah, I came to upload a video somewhere there, and then it started raining. So I even have my two sweaters. So I just want maybe to turn my camera and show you what is happening right here. This is actually Nyamira town, and also there's you see that on the other side there, that is the hospital. So before we continue, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and after watching this video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much. Enjoy the video, guys. Yes, so I am somewhere here in a certain shop, and I'm standing right here. So it is raining, guys. It is raining. Look at that. It's raining. On the other side there, we have the hospital. There, let me zoom for you guys. We have Nyamira County Referral Hospital right here. Yes, this is the hospital, and it's the evening. Kids are coming back from school. You see this? This is the school bus, and I am right here. So I will be taking you along with me. Yeah, so that, guys, you can see how the city looks like. Is it the city? No, the town looks like, guys. And then later on, maybe the end of this video, towards the end of this video, I will be giving you some big news. We have news. We have big news, guys. We have big news coming up. So please watch this video to the end. Yes. So right here, we have a certain hotel down here, and then people are building on the other side. Yeah, so we have, where I'm standing, we have so many chemists, like they sell medicines, so many of them. Even this building that I am in, on the other side there, we have some chemists. And right here, they actually repair phones, laptop repair, phone and laptop accessories. But it is closed. Yeah, it is closed. Yes. So enjoy the video, guys. Oh, look at the clouds. Look at the clouds, I'm telling you. Look at it. Look at this. Hey, that's my hand. On the other side there. Very far from here. Look at the clouds. Very black. Is it black or gray? I don't know. English. Yes. When it rains like this, so it's usually it turns out to be very cold at the same time. Yeah, and then our roads here are very, very bad. You can even see there's a road here. Let me see if I can go upstairs and show you guys. Look at where I am now. This is actually the last floor of this building, and I am right here. Yes. From right here you can even see we have a laboratory here, but it is closed. You can actually see the hospital very nicely now. Look at that. That is the hospital, Manga Chemist. And then you go down, you continue going down. Yeah. These houses, they are closed. I don't know why. I have not known the reasons why. Oh, look at that view. So guys, I am right here. This is the town. You see, it has been raining, but the rain has stopped, and this is the current situation. I'm sorry, I am doing this video using my my phone. Reason being, my camera got the battery died. Yeah, so I have left it somewhere to be charged. So let us just take maybe a very short tour. Then later on we will be back home. Yeah. So keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking this video, and also subscribe to the channel, guys. This is Nyamira town for the new friends, and on the other side that is the compound of KMTC. Like they did some renovations on the other side. Look at that. Yeah, they're doing some renovations. The KMTC, like a school, college, I mean, it is under major renovations, guys. Yeah. So that is it. And I am right here. It's super cold, actually. As you can see, it has been raining. And on the other side, we have some shops where they sell like electronics and so many different stuff, guys. So enjoy the video, guys. Today is actually on Tuesday. Yeah. You see, we have you see, they did some renovations. Nyamira County River Hospital. This is gate B. We have gate 1 on the other side, and then we have gate B. This is gate B, actually. This is Nyamira. We don't have like a lot of people because the rain came and it disturbed people. Some people went home. The reason is being like here when it rains, it does not even stop whistling. So people disappeared home. But in the next like few minutes from now, you will see the town will be full. I always tell you that if you don't have an umbrella here, like with the motorbikes, it's very hard to get customers. You see, when it rains, umbrella like this. I was on a call with a friend of mine, and I was telling my friend that here, the motorbikes, they do get, sometimes they do fix the umbrellas. And my friend was like, what? The umbrellas on the motorbike? Yes, that is what happens. Yeah. So this is around the market. Yeah, this is around the marketplace. And also today is not on a market day. Yeah, today is not on a market day. Yes. You have hotels around. That is me, but it is so cold, guys. But it is because it has been raining, you know. I'm coming from that side, and you see even the clouds. This rain might even come like later. Yeah, look at the clouds. I'm right here. So Nyamira is a small county which is under some few renovations, starting from the roads, like from town to my home. The roads are under some constructions, and also they're trying to install the the street lights. Yeah, they're trying to do that, guys. And here, people are farmers. Mostly people, they do farming. Yes, sorry, I was saying like Nyamira. Like this Nyamira County, so many people here, they are farmers. They practice farming, planting over corns, bananas, tea leaves, all that. And you see the land on the other side there? That land got sold a few days ago because it has the wire mesh. Yeah, it got sold a few days ago, guys. So we are on this side, and this is actually at the market. I know, like you guys, if you have been watching my videos, already you know this place. It's around the marketplace. Yes, this is around the market. Actually, the market starts from here and goes to the other side. And around here, you can get like the booking office for Nyamira Express. Yeah. What is Nyamira Express? Like the buses which travels from here to Nairobi direct. Like this one. You see this, the blue bus? Yes, those ones, they goes to Nairobi direct. But some of them, they are whole actually. Yeah, so the booking office is right down here where there is this bus. That is where you can get the booking office, and then you can also get where you can buy like the accessories for the you see the accessory also no the spare parts. For example, if you have a motorbike or your car, we have the garage on the other side. You can buy the spare parts, and yes, that is what happens here. And then we have the petrol station right here. So that is it. And it's the place is not like today we don't have people here. Reasons because it's not a marketplace, a market day here. We have a market somewhere in somewhere known as Kebirigo. So people have gone there. Yeah. So today it's not a market day till on Friday and Sunday, the 2 days for the market in Nyamira. So yes, that's why you're not seeing a lot of people around, you know. Yes, so let's just take a walk. You see, it has been raining. It is actually rain season here in Kenya, guys. So God has really blessed us. We are super blessed. So that person is asking me if I'm heading somewhere, and I'm like, no, I am not. I am here just by foot, slowly, because I want to go somewhere there, buy something, then I go back home. It's already. What is the time? Let me check. It's 4:40, so it's almost the day is almost coming to an end. Yeah. So that is how everything looks like. You know, when it is like market days, you will find a lot of people here selling stuff even alongside the road. Yeah. So enjoy the video, guys, and kindly keep supporting me. Yeah, I really will be so grateful if you keep watching my videos. I really appreciate. We have big surprise, guys, coming up. Big surprise. 2 days ago, I did a video, and today. We are still doing what? We are still searching for something big for our land, guys. I told you, like, yes, I am still on that process, and I told you I don't have money, but I'm searching for land by faith. Yeah. So today we went somewhere. We got one piece of land which goes for, it's like 50 by 100. Yeah, 50 by 100. It goes for 650,000 Kenyan money. So that is one part. It was today. Yeah, 650,000 Kenyan money, Kenyan shillings. So yes, since ever we started to do that this is the first day. So we are not in a hurry, guys. We are still in a search. Yeah, it's not even the correct English. Yeah, so that is what we did today, and then maybe tomorrow and Wednesday, because we have been told in some places. So like I can't really wait to own my own land, my small piece of land. It will be so amazing, you know. So guys, it's 6 actually, and I've done some shopping here. I bought some vegetables. Yeah, I've done some little shopping, and I'm heading home. It's 6:31, and I'm coming live and clear from this side. I'm ready from the other side, and I'm right here. So this is how it looks like, and we have like a supermarket over there that is Shift Shakit, and then since it is in the evening, people have parked their vehicles right here. I'm telling you, even here, people have vehicles, and very nice ones. Yeah, you see. Yes, so maybe I will be ending this video in the next few minutes, but yeah, this was a very short video of the other side. So from tomorrow, I will be doing videos continuously from the village. So I'm kindly requesting you guys to keep supporting me, guys. So keep it locked here and subscribe the channel. I'm I'm going to this supermarket to get some